Hello guys, this is Satin Shrivastava and here I am with a new video set on off-page SEO technique, that is forum posting. So as usual, we used to get a quick recap of what we have learned in the last lecture. So we have learned about social bookmarking, which is actually bookmarking your website link on various of the social bookmarking websites. We read about its importance, how to bookmark a link, and important differentiations between social media optimization, search engine optimization, SMO, and social media marketing as well. So I request you to go through the last lecture if you may have any doubt regarding these topics, and let's jump into the today's topic now. So here we have forum posting. So these are the things which we're going to explore today. So we're going to explore the definition of forum posting, what is their importance, what is the best strategy to post on a forum posting website. What's the best helpful website for forum posting? Is forum posting still useful? Stay tuned and learn more. So let's start with this definition. So forum posting, let's split this word. One we have forum, other one we have posting. So forum is a place or medium where ideas are exchanged. Forum, a place, a medium, a website where basically ideas and knowledge are exchanged and expanded. Okay, and posting is something, posting those ideas on those websites, collectively known as forum posting. So we can say that as a formal definition, that posting your ideas, your views, your suggestions on the forum posting websites is known as forum posting. Okay, now what is its importance? So its importance is to get a quality backlink. Forum posting websites get crawled very fast. It helps in knowledge sharing and expansion. Live example is your Quora.com. Targeted traffic get increase. So what I mean by targeted traffic is that you must answer those questions, you must participate in those forums only which are relevant to your website content. For example, I have a website of online SEO blog where I used to give tutorials, where I used to give lectures on various of the on-page, off-page and SEO techniques. Okay, so my focus area here at forum posting website is to pick those questions related to which I have the comprehensive content, such that when I leave my link there, when the user comes to my website, then he or she should get benefited out of it. Then only you will get a quality backlink. If a user comes to your website, it sees that no, this is not what I require, it will convert into bounce rate. Bounce rate is something which Google never liked. Okay, so its importance is there, its definition is there. Let's jump into the third factor, that is strategy that you should adopt. So as I have already introduced, only pick the questions which have less number of answers and are relevant to the target URL content. For example, if I am answering a question related to classified ads, then there is a less chance that my answers may get read by various users, because it already have so many answers. Only pick those questions, or try to pick those questions which have less number of answers, which are unique. Or what you can do basically, you can log in on a Quora website or any other forum posting website with a different ID and post your question there, a unique question, and answer it with your original ID. So this technique you can adopt to get a question of less number of answers, and those questions you should be unique, should have some value as well. You can't put anything on the forum posting website as a question. Do not spam. Never spam. Okay, do not just go to on all the forum posting website, open the question, throw your link there. Do not spam. It will reduce your website value. Provide in-depth solutions. So if you are providing solution, try to provide in-depth solutions to the user query, such that it should have the feeling, user should get the feeling while reading your answer that yeah, this this person has some knowledge regarding this topic. That's why he has given an in-depth solution to my query or to my question. Then ask questions, as I have already introduced that. Ask some unique questions by different ID and answer them with your original ID. Be active in the forum and answer maximum questions. Okay, don't do this like this, that you have answered one or two question and you are inactive for a long time. So Quora will never suggest such people's on its website to other users to ask question from them. So be active on the forum posting website and regularly ask questions and give answers as well to other users. So the best websites you can check for its DA and PA score before posting your link on any forum posting website or before answering any of the question of the users. So the pick of the websites are Moz, Quora, Reddit can be used to earn quality backlink. So the main question was, is forum posting still useful? I would say yes, it is. So what generally usually happens, initially forum posting website used to give you do follow links. But what black hat spammers does, they used to spam out these websites by throwing their link, by posting their links on every website, and then Google directed to the forum posting website owners to change those links in the no follow link. So the resultant of which is that the SEO juice get decreased by a huge volume. But still, if you are posting you are participating in the forums related to your website content, then it would result into quality traffic and you will earn a no follow link. But as I have already told you, if your website content is that much comprehensive and you are providing in-depth solutions to the user query, then it would result into traffic and would add your revenue as well. So this was about forum posting. If you have any question, feel free to email me. Do participate in some forum posting website and send me screenshot of your answers. I will try to read all of them and will revert you if I find something that you can add up and can improve further. Thank you.